Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm Dipali Karanzavkar and I share paper craft videos. In this video, I'm going to show how to make traditional paperboard origami model. Before that, I request you to subscribe this channel to watch more videos like this. Take a rectangular sheet of paper and fold the paper into half. Fold again into half to find the center and reopen. Bring the top two corners together to the middle and crease. Fold one flap at the bottom of the paper towards up. Turn over and fold the other flap up. Pop open the center like a hat. Align pointed corners together and crease. Fold the top layer to meet the other point. Turn the paper over and repeat. Gently pull apart the top 2 points while pushing out with your fingers to form the bottom of the boat like this. Wow, your boat is ready to launch! I hope you find this video useful. Please share your comments. Your feedback is more welcomed. Do not forget to like this video and subscribe my channel if you want to watch paper folding and paper sculpture videos. Hit the bell icon as well and stay tuned. Thanks for watching.